Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a very powerful volatility 75 index strategy. But it's a strategy that you can use on all volatility index, okay? You can use it on any market you want, alright? And it works very well with when you combine it with price action, okay? So it helps to give you a very good confirmation in the market, all right, if you know how to use price action. And if you don't know how to use price action, you can also still use it, okay? You can still use the strategy without price action. You can just use only the indicators, the overbought and the oversold, and you make money with this powerful strategy, okay? So without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then I'll be explaining how you can use the strategy to trade profitably. All right, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon. After clicking on that, we are going to search for our first indicator, which is the Bollinger band. All right, so you click on this plus icon, and then you search for your Bollinger band. So after searching for it, these are the properties for it, okay? You make the period 150, the shift is 0, deviation 2.000, applied to its close, okay? The level, you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. Now on the style, you make the color red, all right, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, so once you click that, you are going to have this three line here, these three moving averages on your main chart, this and this and this. All right, this is the Bollinger band line. All right, so after adding that, the next indicator we have here is the relative strength index. All right, so which we are going to be using for our levels. So you are going to be clicking on this plus icon again, and then you search for your relative strength index. So as you can see here, the period is 14, the applied to its close. All right, for the level, you are going to make it 10, 12, 13, 14, 90, 86, and 100. All right, after that, you make the color red. All right, and you click on done. That is it for the levels. The time frame, you make it all time frame. The style, you make it color of your background white, and you make it 1 pixel. After that, you click on done. All right, we are done with the relative strength index. So if you add the relative strength index, you are going to have this red line here, this 90 and 86, and you can see the 15, the 10, and all that here. All right, so we have the overbought and the oversold level here. All right, so now after adding that, the next indicator we have here is the force index, which is our last indicator here. So you are going to be clicking on this second plus icon, the indicator window 1 plus icon, and then you search for your force index. All right, so these are the properties. The period is 13, method is simple, the volumes tick. All right, the level, you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. The style, you make the color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. You're going to have this blue line here on your indicator window 1. Okay, so after setting everything correctly, as I've just explained, you have a screen like this one. All right, so now before I explain how the strategy work, I want to quickly remind you guys about my powerful boom and crash strategy, the VIP strategy, which I've been giving to my students, okay, and it has been helping them to grow their account. Okay, it's a strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account without blowing the account. Okay, so if you're interested in getting the strategy, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Okay, do make sure to message me directly, and we discuss on how you get the strategy. All right, so I think that is all for that. Now back to this strategy, this particular strategy for trading the volatility indices. All right, so now this is how the strategy work. You use it to get confirmation of strong support and resistance zones in the market, and then you make your trading decisions based on it. Okay, so now the thing there is that you allow price to get to the oversold level on the indicator window, and then you confirm it on your main chart using the Bollinger band line. All right, so once it gets to the oversold level, you confirm, and also on the main chart that price has gotten to the red Bollinger line, the third line here, this one or this one, you confirm the price is currently at it, or this middle one. All right, so whichever one it is the price gets to, and you have confirmed on the indicator window that yes, this is a strong support or a strong resistance zone, then you can like use either candlestick pattern to take your entry to the direction. Like you can see here is the oversold here, and price got to it. It was confirmed on the main chart. So around this area you can decide to make your entry decision using the confirmation you have got in from the indicator window here. Right, so I saw that price got to this level, and now I'll be looking for a buy entry according to the strategy. Right, so now let's say you took your buy around this area, immediately price cross above the trend line, then you took your buy. Right, now you are going to hold till this blue line gets to the overbought level, and as you can see, price immediately start buying to this area, and you can see that it has gotten to the overbought level, which is showing you on our 15 the middle Bollinger band line. Right, price got to this area close to the middle Bollinger band line, which is showing that the support or the resistance zone here is strong, and you can see on the indicator window that this the blue line has gotten to the 90 and the 86, which is a very strong resistance zone. So which means you have to exit the market according to the strategy, according to the indicator. Okay, so as you can see, you close around this area and you're making some profit. All right, and as you can see again, price got to this area again, and the indicator showed you that price has gotten to an oversold level, which you can see. And this area I use trend line to confirm it, which is why I say that if you use the strategy with price action, you are going to get better results. All right, if you combine it with price action, you are going to get better results. All right, so as you can see, it got to the oversold level, and on the main chart you can see that price got to a trend line, which is showing you a strong support and resistance zone. So you look for your entry conditions again here, either a candlestick pattern or you can use trend line like this one. You can go to the 1 minute time frame, use your trend line to mark out, and once price break out of the trend line, you can go in for your buy, something like that. And if you understand candlestick pattern, you can use, as you can see, there's a bullish candlestick pattern here for my entry, like I can use to like make my entry decision and buy. All right, so you took your buy from this area, you wait for price to get to the overbought level, and then you exit. All right, so as you can see, price is currently heading up. All right, it according to the indicator, you can still be in the trade. Right, if you bought from this area, you can still be in the trade till this blue line gets to the 90 or the 86 level, then you exit according to the strategy. So guys, this is a very simple strategy to understand. If you don't know how to draw your trend line, you can just use the Bollinger bands line, all right, to get your confirmation. You can just use this indicator and the Bollinger band line to get your conditions, all right, and then you take your entries based on them. All right, so it's as simple as that. That is how the strategy work. So what I want you guys to do is to, like, if you understand what I'm saying, then you should backtest the strategy very well, backtest and see that it's working for you very well, all right, before you can go in with your hard-earned money. All right, so once you have backtest and you see that it's working for you, then you can go in with your hard-earned money. It's as simple as that, guys. So I believe with this few example I've given, you understand what I'm saying, and you should be able to make money with this strategy by yourself. Okay, so what I want you guys to do, like I said earlier, is to back test the strategy. Don't just take my words for it. All right, don't take my words for it. Make sure you do the practical aspect of it by yourself, and then you can come back with your testimonies. Okay, so that is that about that. If you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please do make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And don't forget to give the video a like if you know you are getting value from it. Okay, so I think that is going to be all, guys. For those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, The link is in the description of this video. Do make sure to check it out and join the channel, because on that channel I share powerful signals, profitable signals that can help you grow your small account. Okay, so you don't want to miss. So you should join the family, okay, and become profitable. All right, so that is it, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.